Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today is Frugal Friday. Yay! I love Frugal Friday videos. And this is when I usually talk about my viewers' comments and tips and tricks if anyone's given me any, and just generally how the week's been. I'm going to start doing a video channel recommendation every week, and this one is Primer Midlife. She's a lovely Scottish lady who just speaks sense. Initially she was doing it as a prepper channel, but generally she does overall comments about what's going on in the world, like politics, and how she's sort of living her frugal life. Really recommend it, and I love her accent, Scottish lady. Okay, so let's get into what we've been talking about this week. I did a Cheapy Tuesday video. Jan Johnson 5209 said she found a large recliner sofa and chair, and she got them for £40 together on Marketplace, and plus she got a free tub chair. Well done, honey. Ruth Lewis 403 says she's given up on charity shops as they're so expensive by her. She's in Huddersfield, and she started using candles to keep her energy costs down like I do, and she's been cooking on a camping stove outside at night because she finds it de-stressing, just like the candles. Yeah, it's sensible. I have little tea lights. I put them on in the living room and in the bedroom miles away from me in case I knocked them. It just gives a nice ambience to your room, and you're saving money on your energy bill. What's not to like? Lynn Norman 2144. Hey Lynn, lovely to hear from you again. She says her friend from the food bank gives her spare tomato plants. She does this every year. She says it's amazing what you can grow in pots. Definitely, I've only got my garden's is all pots because it's just a paved backyard. So everything I've got is in pots as well. Rainbow Tree 3, hello hon. Oh, she's been with me since the very near the beginning. Thank you, honey. I appreciate you keep watching. She says she collects free seeds from her garden, and she does a seed swap in her community. And she makes homemade compost. Yeah, I do that too. I've got 2 big plastic tubs. I poke loads of holes in there, and I throw in all kinds of things. The leaves, the cuttings, left old soil. Yeah, it's amazing what you can grow in your back garden, in your backyard in pots. You don't necessarily need the soil as a grass. Yeah, brilliant. Thank you, hon. She says it brings her so much happiness and it only costs her time. Yeah, me too. I sit on the bench in the summer and I'm like, nothing better than sit there with a cup of coffee, the dog at my feet, and sunshine on my face. It's idyllic. Jacqueline Lovesy. Hello, Jacqueline. Bought salad and veggie seeds from Home Bargains, and she's going to be start sowing them this week. She says she's going to buy a camping stove and canisters with her common birthday money. I think everyone starts buying camping stoves. I just think it's great as a fallback position if you have a power cut or if you want to cut your energy down, because I've got all electric kitchen, so the bills are expensive, so I know that feeling, and she is too. She says her kitchen's all electric. Yeah, it's so expensive here in the UK. Sue I5OB. Hello, Sue. Sue always comments. Thank you, Sue. Such a lovely lady. She says, this is a great tip. Every time you save a little bit of money on a purchase, even if it's just 10 pence, put it towards your emergency fund. Yeah, because I basically told everybody my emergency fund's gone kaput. Because basically I needed the shower replacing and installing, so that's sort of all gone. I've also spent some money on some other things, like towards my boots and that, so I've got to sort of rebuild it up again. Yeah, but you know, I'll get there in the end. I know I will. I've been doing some decluttering as well because I want to downsize this year. Jan Johnson, hey honey. She says she's sorting out her own a space, and she brought a couple of bags to the charity shop. Yeah, I do twice a week now. It's just become a habit. Twice a week I go with 1 bag at a time because it's only down the road. It's not far to go. So a little local one, because I'd rather give it to a local one than to a big franchisee one now, because they're all about profits and the money goes to the big fat cats at the top. It doesn't go where it's needed, I don't think. So yeah, so bit of a short one this week, but I hope you can send me some tips and tricks and we'll have a good gab about it next week. And on Tuesday, watch out for my Cheapy Tuesday video. Oh gosh, no, I can't. There won't be a Cheapy Tuesday. Well, there might be, but it might be a bit. I'm in hospital next Tuesday. I'm getting my hand operated on. They're doing my right one first, and then that's got to heal over 3 or 4 months, and then they're going to do my left one because I've got arthritis in my hand. So if there isn't a Cheapy Tuesday video, I'm really sorry. So please be kind this coming week, because I'm just going to be probably out of it, really, to be honest. And I just wanted to thank everyone for all the lovely support I've had over fixing the bathrooms up. My downstairs stud wall that I've been tiling, I've still got a little bit of that to do, and I've still got lots of the upstairs bathroom to do. I'm hoping to get the floor tiled before I go into hospital on Tuesday. Well, thank you. You've all been very supportive, and I look forward to all the little messages that I get every day. It just brings a little bit of sunshine into my life. So thank you for that. And if you're new here, thank you for coming. And if you're a regular viewer, thank you for coming back. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.